Hi, Cindy here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this solo costume. It also would work for a dress if you would like. It could be solid, it could be sheer. I used a pair of briefs underneath, and you can see we finished off all the seams on here. We started off with a basic tank top pattern. As you can see here how I've cut out the straps. If the pattern fits correctly, it's really easy to adjust from there. Don't forget to add for any seam allowance when you go to cut this out. Any place that you've cut, when you want to hem it, straps will go across the back like that. And we just cut straight across the front here. And when you do the loop in the stomach, if you need to adjust when you put it on, you see it's too short, you could always put a little seam right where it attaches to the skirt there. We put some holographic underneath the mesh in the front bust, and all those straps attached to the briefs so it doesn't pull up. So you can see right there was the mesh and holographic part in the front. Now you're going to sew all those pieces together. I attached the top part, but not the briefs. Don't forget that. Once all the pieces are sewn, you're going to put on a clip. I used a 1-inch elastic that matches the black so that the neck is nice and sturdy. You'll sew all those pieces except for the brief. Don't forget about that. And then I used a marrow machine. If you don't have access, you can just cut it. But it's really that simple. Follow us on all social media at Sew with Cindy if you'd like to see more videos like this.